Tonight, my girlfriends and I are getting cozy on the couch to eat, laugh, and binge our favorite TV shows.
What was that?
I have a picnic-style menu that I think the girls will love, including a hearty Italian hoagie. I've got the sausage browning already. I did half sweet and half spicy sausage. And now I'm making a little mayo to put on the actual hoagie bread. So 1 cup of mayonnaise and 3 tablespoons of Calabrian chili. This is a spicy little mayonnaise that I'm making, but it's gonna be really good with the sausage. And we need some lemon zest. And this hoagie is sort of a play on a banh mi. It's a Vietnamese sandwich. And it's kind of a similar idea, but an Italian version of it, really. Some salt. Not too much, just a little. Mix it all together. And like this, you've got a homemade Calabrian chili spicy mayo, which I think is really nice, and it's a great color too. Mayo is done. Now, let's grab the bread and the salad. We'll get to the bread in 1 second. I've got a little bit of arugula, so this is our vegetable side, our salad side to the sandwich, so it's kind of all in one. And we're gonna add to the arugula a little bit of basil, and just gonna give it a quick little chop. Just some fresh basil, because I love the freshness of the basil and the arugula with the sausage. The sausage is just about there. I think I can turn this guy off. Yeah. And we're gonna add a little bit of apple cider vinegar for a little bit of like freshness. A classic banh mi Vietnamese sandwich has pickled vegetables, which we're gonna use the giardiniera for instead, and some fresh herbs. So we're gonna just use a little bit of arugula and some basil, and a little bit of salt, and just toss that all together. It's a nice, fun play with the sausage and a little bit of the freshness from the vinegar, and then the pickled vegetables. They kind of cut through the sausage, the flavor and the fat of the sausage. So it's a really nice combo. Hoagie is a really nice, soft bread. So you just open that up just like this. Pull out the extra bread, because I don't want all of this extra bread in there. I want to make room for all the filling. We're gonna start with the mayo part. It's really pretty. I love this sandwich because it's really satisfying. Okay, we got that. Next, we're gonna put the sausage right in the little tunnel that you created by taking out the extra bread. Okay. We're gonna use a little bit of the giardiniera. And the giardiniera is just Italian pickled vegetables. And usually it's carrots and bell peppers, and it can be green beans. And it's very popular for us, especially during the holidays at Christmas time. It's like our first course. We believe it opens up sort of our digestion so we can fill it with lots of different foods. So then we add a little bit of the basil and arugula right on top. There we go. Look at that. You can kind of just smush it and it forms to the sandwich that you want. Looky there. Got the great color, and then you got all the veggies and all the meat and all the lettuce. That is our first hoagie.